'Cause I'm really in love with you. When I'm looking at pictures of you, I remember moments and my heart feels like you. You've been a big surprise. My soul now feels alive. And now I know the thrill to fall in love. 'Cause this is real love.
Hola, mi amigos, mi amigas. It's Melanie.
And I'm Sean and welcome to our channel.
And for this video, guys, I'm going to take my boys out. We're going to the mall. And we're going to buy Sean's outfit for his first communion. Yes, malapit na ang kanyang first communion. Are you excited?
Opo.
Yeah, he's very excited to have his first communion. And also, I'm going to meet my friend, my whitey friend. She become a good friend. Malapit lang naman siya, guys. So, I'm gonna meet her later while she's in the Philippines. So, Sean?
And if you haven't liked and subscribed already, please do it right now. Thank you. And please comment, share, and leave the bell ringing so that you will not miss a single episode.
Okay. Okay, guys. And see you later. Bye!
Bye-bye!
Wala pang tao. Oh yeah, flickering. Wala pang tao, guys. Maaga pa. Hanapin mo na lang Grizzly Kill.
Smell pagkain.
Grizzly? Smell pagkain? Black pants.
Wow!
Sa Star Wars.
Star Wars.
Ay, wag ka luluhod. Wag, no, oy, dirty yan.
Are you looking at me? I don't know what you're saying. I 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 know what you're saying.
No junk food.
Only gummy.
There's ano, blow magic siya. Ito. Gusto mo to? You want something in here? Kel. Oh. Hello, guys.
I saw a sign over there that said buy two, get one.
Buy to get one.
Buy two, get one.
We're waiting for my friend, guys. Nandito kami sa Grass Residence. Dito nakatira si Mercy Kagara. Here, wait natin si tita. And guys, hintay lang natin guys na sunduin tayo ni Marcy dito sa baba. O, yung face mask mo, ayusin mo.
Good morning po.
Kanina pa kayo? Oh, thank you. Sam, thank you. Kasi pwede na sana tayo tumuloy. Kaya lang, sabi ko nga, baka magkakalit sa akin. Alapit lang mo. Oo. Hello, si Kuya. Nakikita ko siya sa vlog. Ay, parang si Kuya William. Hello, Kuya William. Hi. Oh! Ano starvation? Come on, come on. Oo. Kasi, malapit na naman kayo dito. Dito na tayo kain sa baba. Anong paborito mong kainin? Kasi si Kuya, parking dito. So, pwede mo mabalik sa iba't isa. Sa tower 4 and 5. Pero ito kasi tower. Ay, hindi pa kayo makapasok kasi wala maging good yan. RFID. Yan na sila. Dahil anyone can pass through. Kaya lang, ngayon, parang may nakita pa mo. Pina-color mo ba? Oo. Hello, is that on vlog? Oh!
Sweet and sour sauce.
Bigla ang lakad. Nakarating si Kuy sa aking premiere kagabi. Doon sa premiere kami nag-usap.
Sa premiere.
Sa premiere kami nag-usap na kami ay magkikita today. Luckily naman na...
Wait, meron something for you.
Oo, pwede mo lang papakinggan.
Can you say, what are you going to say? Thank you po. Thank you din.
Oo. Subukan mo na.
Dito pang malalagay ka dyan.
Oo. Try mo na. Actually, dalawa lang yan nabili ko. So, tig-isa tayo. Oo. Yeah. It's batik siri. Batik. Ano mo lang? Gawin to. I-crush mo lang. William, tanggalin mo na yan. Ano mo? Mask mo. Ba't di mo sinamay isa mo?
Kasi nga, andun si mother. Wala naman kasama. Ang senior citizen.
Talaga? Kami sa kamay mo. See, ang buti. No? Ang laki. Hindi ko na sa
Thank you.
Yeah.
O, you choose na.
O, sige na, order ka na. Ano, William? Wala pa akong nabablog dito sa mga to.
Wala pa?
Hello, everyone.
Yan.
Shout out ba tayo? Shout out?
Okay, shout out.
Yes, mangyan. Hello. Laki na kasalanan ko sa mga yan.
Bakit?
Hindi ako nakakasuporta.
May busy ka kasi. Busy.
Mabawi mo lang. Busy.
Oo.
Punta kayo dito. Mag-collab tayo.
Oo.
Invite ko sila. Sayang. Hindi natin na si Mama Jacqueline, Vitangs, yun yung grupo na...
Ngayon kasi biglaan. Kasi bili lang kami ng
Hindi
gamit
talaga
na.
na planado.
Oo.
Walang plano.
Para daw akong lalaki. Para daw ako lalaki.
I like your hair. Kasi gusto ko na rin ng mga short hair na yun eh.
Tawa na ako sa ano eh.
Ayaw mo na ng long hair. Nakita ko yung long hair mo dati. Balik mo nga yun.
Manipis na kasi hair eh. Wala nung nag-give.
Oo. Kaya nga eh. Kain tayo! Guys, bigla ang lakad.
Delicious
This is-
brew. Nandito kami sa Delicious Brew.
Yes,
Ayun.
here in Brass Residences. Pasyal-pasyal lang kami. Ikot-ikot. Si ko para at least,
Kaya nga.
Can I call you tita?
Yeah, you call her tita. You can call her
I'm your
tita.
tita. I'm your tita Mercy. Uy,
Ay.
di ba Tagalog tayo, di ba?
O, dapat Tagalog daw.
Ako, isa daw mag-nosebleed.
Naku, hirap kami dyan sa batang yan. Delicious brew.
Thai drinks. Yan. What's your order, Shan? Mine is
Ripe
Melanie.
mango.
Ripe mango. And Kuya William is Coke.
Coke.
Soda. So let's try tea. So sa labi na sila nag-i-stay. Sabi ko labi, baka maligaw-ligaw. Susunduin mo kayo dyan.
Delicious brew. So, meron silang ano dito. Oo. Kasi may mga alak eh. Ayan.
Pwede parang mag-chilling dito. No?
Pwede mag-chill out, maglasing-lasingan ka dyan. Pero yung nandito ka lang.
Ganda. Bago to eh. This is after pandemic lang siya nag-open.
Tapos, eto yung... Oo. Ito yung food nila.
Cozy.
Ayan. Ayan. May all-day breakfast. Ayan. Buti nag-abot tayo sa premiere kagabi.
Oo nga. Sabi ko nga, naku, laki na ng kasalanan ko dito kay Kuya Melanie. Hindi ako nakakapunta ng...
Ito guys, meron akong bagong bangle. Yan, bigay ni Sisikoy, Marcy. Ayan. Bagay, yun.
From Indonesia.
Galing ng Indonesia.
Bagay sa'yo. You're so kasi tingnan mo naman ang ganda ng color sa
Yes.
Yan, bagay, no?
Oo,
Ang ganda.
syempre.
It's batik design.
Ganda.
Batik.
Kaya, para kung lalaki.
Napanood ko yung kayo, bonding with your daughter, right? Yan yung parang gusto ko rin tatapyasan din yung hair ko.
Hindi ba ganun mahaba yung hair mo? At yung pinaiksi mo?
Ayoko na rin ng maiksi, ay nang mahaba kasi nga, di ba, ang init?
Oo. Sa Thailand din mainit.
Same lang. Same.
Ah, okay.
Yung weather natin, the same with tropical country rin siya.
Okay.
Kasi sayang.
Oo nga.
Ako nga rin eh. Ayoko na rin magpa-hair color kasi iksi ng buhok ko.
Ano ba to? Melon?
That's Melanie.
Ah.
Is it Melanie? Why is it white?
Oo nga.
Kuya, white. White melon? Si, siyan, tsaka si Kuya.
Can I swim at the
Always
pool?
busy.
Always busy.
I wanna go to the pool.
You wanna
No.
later? You wanna see the pool?
Oh, later na, later na. It's so hot
Swim.
eh. Swim.
I'll bring you to the Tower 4 and 5 swimming pool.
Oo.
Dun sa taas tayo. Oo, ate.
Thank you. Okay, let's eat. Subuan lang kita ha. Subo ha. Okay naman yung ano. Okay ba? Okay yung ano niya.
Mas masaya yung house. Let's eat.
Si ano kasi si Bernadette, tahimik lang din yon.
Sarap.
Looks good.
one is salad.
Yeah.
Balsamic.
Bacon, apple bacon.
Apple, bacon, balsamic oil.
And guys, kain muna tayo guys. I'm going to buy toys for Sean for his birthday. It's gonna be 9 this November. Okay, you can choose what you want. Hmm?
Oh, you need to assemble that.
This for the babies.
I can hula hoop.
You can do a hula hoop? Hmm? Okay, what do you want? You like the scooter?
Can we stay away from that?
Why?
It says, can you build a duck? No. What are you building? Are you building a zombie?
No, it makes
Can you build a fire truck?
Wala ka pang napili? Hmm?
This is a gift for Ate.
Yeah, you want to give that to her? Okay. But you have to choose yours first. Wow, this is cool. This is for Ate daw. Sean will give this to Ate. Ano naman niya yan? You want that? Punching bag? Huh?
To get stronger.
But
Mama, I have chosen what I wanted.
what is this? Ryan's World. Giant Mister. Ano bang laman yan?
Mystery sand.
Ah,
It's egg full of sand.
alright.
I know what I'm gonna pick.
Okay. Si Patrick?
What is it?
Where is it? Where it is? You want that? Huh?
Ates! Wait, why you here?
Okay na? Sige na pili ni Sean. Pero ang laki pala niya, no?
Pero
May-
mas yung ito na mas malaki.
Bakit?
May extra ano pa yan, ma'am.
Ah, meron pa siyang ano. Magkano ganito? Pero gusto,
319 po.
pero gusto kasi niya kasi kung ano daw, colorful.
Yung ganito kasi ma'am may
Colorful and realistic.
Yeah, realistic. Ayan guys, tulog ng aking anak. Pagod na pagod siya. Yan. Nakapamili din kami ng konti. And then, kumain. Kasama ang aking friend na si Mercy. Thank you so much, Sisi Koy. Treat muna naman kami. Thank you so much and hope to see you again. Mag-iingat ka palagi. Okay, so much for now and thank you for watching. God bless everyone. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Ay! Bye.
Bye.
Thank you for watching.
Well, I don't wanna be on the mic with all these words that I think are right. And I'm a child of details. And when I pin it, it's heads, not tails. Don't you think I lick my wounds? Played this game and played the fools. Don't you think that I say la vie? Easy come and easy go. I'll go high when you go low. Don't you think that I say la vie? And I don't wanna be out of sight. The way I look fills me with fright. Well, I don't wanna be on the mic with all these words that I think are right. And I'm a child of details. And when I pin it, it's heads, not tails. Don't you think I lick my wounds? Played this game and played the fools. Don't you think that I say la vie? Easy come and easy go. I'll go high when you go low. Don't you think that I say la vie? And I don't wanna be out of sight. The way I look fills me